Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And I was just practicing over here next to a tree I felled the other day. Still have yet to finish cutting it up and all, but perhaps you can see it. And a lovely conifer here, seemingly quite healthy. A new spider web formed here. And then an old cedar post that was here before I got here, the birdhouse atop. And kind of considering the Taoist notion of pull, what um, has often been translated as uncarved block, although I'd prefer to translate perhaps as unworked wood. And one of the ideas is that uh, you can't turn something that's been turned into something back into the unworked wood, the pull. Right? So once we've shaped something, we're in the realm of shapes. We're beyond the realm of formless and perfect pluripotentiality. But as we progress through our form, I'd like to introduce as a tip the idea that I can feel what I'm working, what I'm creating, what I'm making a shape, what the meaning I'm deriving is. There's purpose behind what I'm doing. There's function for the shapes. But I want to keep an eye out for the emergence of pull. Where does that happen? Does that happen in Zhongding? Does that happen at apparent closure? Does that happen every time I inhale? Does that happen every time I turn back to face north or east? Whatever. But I just want to invite you to pay attention to the emergence of pull within the being, within the place, within the practice. That is not caused by the self. It can't be caused by the self. So we step away from the idea of trying to create that thing that is perfectly, in the state of potential, and instead maintain a relationship to the functionality while we maintain an open to the emergence of the return of pluripotentiality. So thank you very much.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.